Samsung's Galaxy A56 has been leaked in CAD-based renders today. As you can see below, the images show a device that is easily recognizable as a Samsung, no surprise there, but there is something distinctively new about its design, for the A56 series, the camera island. No longer do we have individual mini islands for each camera directly on the rear glass. Now these are contained in a bigger black oval-shaped island. That's really the only big new thing here design-wise, if you don't count the bottom bezel, which does appear to be ever so slightly smaller. But these are CAD-based renders, remember, so they may not be 100% accurate for such stuff anyway. So it looks like the Korean company may want to finally differentiate its lower-end and mid-range devices from its high-end phones again by giving the former one camera island and leaving the latter with the individual mini islands, if the leaks regarding the Galaxy S25 series have been accurate. The Galaxy A56 will have a better selfie camera, support for 45W wired charging, and the Exynos 1580 SoC at the helm. The Galaxy A55 arrived in March this year, so we wouldn't be surprised to see the A56 becoming official in March 2025. We'll let you know when we find out more about it.